Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with the essentials and act right away. Position the extension on a flat surface and locate the clip base. Using a small flathead, gently pry open the clip hinge to release tension. If it's sewn, cut only the thread holding the clip, not the weft. Once loosened, remove the old clip and save any tiny screws. Make sure to keep the weft aligned so the replacement clip sits in the exact spot. Alignment prevents lumps and uneven weight distribution. Now attach the replacement. Align the new clip where the old one lived, matching spacing to preserve balance. If sewing, use doubled thread and a sharp needle. Make tight, small lock stitches through the clip base and around the weft, finishing with a knot under the weft to hide bulk. If the clip uses screws, set the screw by hand, then finish with pliers. Stop when snug to avoid stripping. Once done, test by gently tugging to ensure a secure hold before moving. Finish by trimming leftover thread and tucking knots beneath the weft. You can add a tiny dab of fabric glue for extra security, but avoid stiffening the hair. Test each clip by opening and closing it several times and giving a firm tug to simulate wear. If the clip slips or pulls out, re-sew with additional passes or choose a larger clip base to distribute tension. If threads fray, replace with polyester thread. It resists stretch and keeps the clip stable over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.